Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to permanently disable keyboard on all laptop Windows 11. First step is disable keyboard. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type SC space, config space, i8042prt space, start equal to disabled. Change service config success. Exit and restart system. Now laptop keyboard is disabled. If you want type use external keyboard or on-screen keyboard. Second step is enable keyboard. I am using on-screen keyboard. Click password to login. Click Start, Settings, click Accessibility, click Keyboard. Turn on-screen keyboard. Type CMD in Windows search bar, using on-screen keyboard. Right-click Run as administrator. Type SC space, config space, i8042prt space, start equal to auto, using on-screen keyboard. Click Enter using on-screen keyboard. Exit and restart system. Laptop keyboard is enabled. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.